Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety irreversible. Lockout/tag out the supply and verify 0 volts with a meter. Once done, confirm the VFD model and input voltage match the motor nameplate so you don't damage equipment. Make sure control power alone is applied and change the VFD to local or panel mode. This prevents remote commands while you set parameters. You'll now access the front panel keys and display to begin entering basic settings. Do each check deliberately so later steps behave predictably. You now enter the parameter menu to configure the VFD's core settings: input voltage, motor rated current, rated frequency, and RPM. This tells the drive how to protect the motor. Once done, map the panel keys and I/O. Assign a digital input for start/stop and an analog input for speed reference if used, then verify signal scaling. Next, set acceleration and deceleration times and current limits so the motor starts gently and trips before overheating. Take your time to avoid abrupt responses. You'll perform a controlled test run, command a low-frequency jog, and watch motor current, noise, and vibration. If readings stay within expected limits, gradually increase speed while monitoring. Make sure you inspect the fault log and LED indicators. Clear non-persistent errors before a full run. If problems appear, troubleshoot methodically. Start with grounding and cable screening, confirm correct parameter groups for motor type, and recheck input voltage. If a persistent fault lingers, document the code and consult the manual or manufacturer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.